everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to announce the winner for August giveaway. As you recall, it was a starter kit, and I have to tell you, I already packed it up and taped it. So it's all in this bag right here. So I got all the names, which I have written all down and put in here. I think there was 20, 21, something like that. And so without further ado, let's get to the drawing. Alright, let's just shake them all up. Alright, like this. It's going to be a short video, and we're just going to find out who is the lucky winner of the acrylic pouring starter kit. Alright. Here we go. Let me grab one. Here we are. Let's see who it is. It is Bonsai Kathy. Alright, Kathy. So, what I need you to do, congratulations, Bonsai Kathy. What I need you to do is in the description below is my email address. Just email me with your address so that I can get this in the mail to you next week. And, I'm sorry for all the other ones that didn't win, but maybe next month. Also got another one coming up soon because I hit the 500 mark. So I'll be doing 2 giveaways shortly. I'll be doing September's giveaway and the 500 subscriber giveaway. Thank all of you so very much. I do appreciate all of you. And congratulations again to Bonsai Kathy. You are the winner of August giveaway. So, stay tuned for the next video. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now. See you soon.